In this video, we will show you how to install roof stabilizers on your polytunnel. Here are the parts you'll need. There are 4 roof stabilizers, 2 for each end. The roof stabilizers are positioned between the end hoop and the first intermediate hoop. Roof stabilizers are supplied in 2 pieces. One measures 1.9 meters long, is flattened at one end and plain at the opposite end. The second piece measures 45 centimeters long, is flattened at one end and swaged at the opposite end. First, slot 2 tubes together by placing the swaged end into the plain end. Carefully balance one end on the end hoop. Fit a Q-clip to the first intermediate hoop near the ridge. Locate the flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole, ensuring the threaded part is on the inside of the polytunnel. Screw on a nut and loosely secure into place. Adjust the Q-clip so it is 5 cm to one side of the ridge clamp and firmly tighten the nut. Fit another Q-clip on the end hoop. Locate the second flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole, ensuring that the thread of the bolt is on the inside of the polytunnel, and loosely secure into place. Once in position, secure these tubes together using a self-drilling screw with the provided driver socket 4 cm from the joint. Finally, tighten the nut on the Q-clip on the end hoop. Repeat this process for the 3 remaining roof stabilizers. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel and construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.